Hindu mythology and modern physics may seem like completely different worlds, but they share a fascinating connection through the story of the Kalpa tree. In this video, we'll explore how this mythological tree challenges our understanding of time and opens up new possibilities for scientific discovery. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll be exploring the intriguing connection between Hindu mythology and modern physics. Specifically, we'll be looking at the story of the Kalpa tree and how it relates to the theory of relativity. The Kalpa tree is a mythical tree in Hinduism that is said to grow in the heavens and grant wishes. According to Hindu mythology, one day spent under the Kalpa tree is equivalent to 1,000 years on Earth. This concept of time dilation, where time appears to move slower or faster depending on one's location and velocity, is also a key aspect of the theory of relativity. The theory of relativity was first introduced by Albert Einstein in the early 20th century and is now considered a cornerstone of modern physics. It has completely revolutionized our understanding of space, time, and the nature of the universe. In this video, we'll be exploring the fascinating connection between the mythological story of the Kalpa tree and the scientific principles of the theory of relativity. We'll examine the similarities between the two concepts, the implications of this connection, and what it means for our understanding of the universe. By delving into these stories and concepts, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the complexities of time and space, and how our understanding of these concepts has evolved over time. So, let's dive in and explore this unique connection between Hindu mythology and modern physics. According to Hindu tradition, the tree is located in Swarga, the heavenly realm where the gods and goddesses reside. It is said to be a wish-fulfilling tree that can grant any desire to those who spend time beneath its branches. The Kalpa tree is also associated with the concept of time. As mentioned earlier, spending one day beneath the Kalpa tree is equivalent to 1,000 years on Earth. This concept of time dilation is central to the story of the Kalpa tree and suggests that time is not a fixed and unchanging entity, but rather a flexible and relative one. The significance of the Kalpa tree extends beyond just the concept of time dilation. It is also associated with the idea of rebirth and reincarnation. According to some Hindu texts, the Kalpa tree is seen as a metaphor for the cycle of birth, death, and rebirth. The tree is said to represent the continuity of life and the possibility of renewal and regeneration. In some versions of the story, the Kalpa tree is also associated with the concept of enlightenment. It is said that spending time beneath the tree can bring about a sense of peace and spiritual awakening. The Kalpa tree is a symbol of abundance, growth, and renewal in Hindu mythology. It represents the infinite possibilities of the universe and the potential for transformation and regeneration. Its association with time and rebirth highlights the cyclical nature of existence and the importance of continuity and renewal. The theory of relativity is a cornerstone of modern physics that was introduced by Albert Einstein in the early 20th century. It consists of two parts: special relativity and general relativity. Special relativity deals with the relationship between space and time. It suggests that the laws of physics are the same for all observers, regardless of their relative motion. This means that the way we perceive space and time can depend on our velocity or position. One of the key concepts of special relativity is the idea of time dilation, which is similar to the concept of time in the story of the Kalpa tree. Time dilation suggests that time can appear to move slower or faster depending on one's location and velocity. For example, time appears to move slower for objects that are moving at high speeds relative to an observer who is stationary. General relativity deals with the relationship between space, time, and gravity. It suggests that gravity is not a force, but rather a curvature of spacetime caused by the presence of massive objects like planets and stars. This means that the path of an object in spacetime can be affected by the curvature of spacetime caused by the presence of massive objects. The theory of relativity has had profound implications for our understanding of the universe. It has helped us to better understand the behavior of light, the nature of black holes, and the structure of the universe itself. It has also led to the development of many technologies, including GPS systems, which rely on the precise measurements of time and location that are predicted by the theory of relativity. The connection between the Kalpa tree and the theory of relativity lies in the concept of time dilation. According to Hindu mythology, spending one day beneath the Kalpa tree is equivalent to 1,000 years on Earth. This concept is similar to the time dilation that is predicted by the theory of relativity, which suggests that time appears to move slower or faster depending on one's location and velocity. In the theory of relativity, time dilation is a consequence of the relative motion between two observers. According to the theory, the faster an observer moves, the slower time appears to move for them. Similarly, the closer an observer is to a massive object like a planet or star, the slower time appears to move for them. The story of the Kalp tree challenges our understanding of time in a similar way. By suggesting that time can be relative and flexible, the story challenges our preconceived notions of time as a fixed and unchanging entity. The concept of time dilation is also a central element of the story, suggesting that time can appear to move slower or faster depending on one's location. The connection between the Kalp tree and the theory of relativity raises fascinating questions about the nature of time and space. It suggests that reality may be far more complex than we initially thought and that our understanding of time and space is constantly evolving. Furthermore, the connection between the Kalp tree and the theory of relativity highlights the potential for intersections between myth and science. While these may seem like two separate and distinct areas of knowledge, they are often connected by a shared curiosity about the world and the nature of reality. In conclusion, the story of the Kalp tree and the theory of relativity offer a unique and fascinating connection between Hindu mythology and modern physics. Both concepts challenge our understanding of time and space, and suggest that reality is far more complex than we may have previously thought. The story of the Kalp tree highlights the cyclical nature of existence and the potential for transformation and renewal. Its association with time and enlightenment adds to its significance, highlighting the complexities of human knowledge and experience. The theory of relativity is a cornerstone of modern physics that has revolutionized our understanding of space and time. Its concepts, such as time dilation and the curvature of spacetime, challenge our preconceived notions of reality and suggest a far more complex and interconnected universe than we may have previously thought. The connection between the Kalp tree and the theory of relativity offers a fascinating intersection between myth and science. It highlights the potential for ancient wisdom and modern knowledge to complement and enhance each other. By exploring this connection, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the richness and diversity of human knowledge and experience. The story of the Kalp tree and the theory of relativity remind us that there is always more to learn about the universe and our place within it. They challenge us to look beyond our own preconceived notions of reality and embrace the limitless possibilities of human knowledge and experience. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you in the next one.